Hi my viewers, welcome back to my channel. I would like to discuss about 15 most common foreign expressions that make English language exciting. Let's start. 15 most common foreign expressions that make English language exciting. Bona fide, genuine, real or legal, or not fake. The candidates who join this job should submit their bona fide certificates. Ad hoc, not planned in advance. The minister appointed an ad hoc committee to study the quality of education. Lingua franca, linked language. English is used as a lingua franca among many countries. Status quo, situation as it is now. The government ordered to maintain the status quo of COVID-19. En masse, all together or in large groups. The supporters of our local MLA arrived en masse for the rally. Viva voce, a spoken exam or an oral exam. The students are required to write 2 papers and take a viva voce exam. In toto, totally. The judge accepted the testimony in toto. Alma mater, mother of soul, or former school or university or college. I visited my old alma mater. Ex officio, included because of the rank or job. Maheshwari is an ex officio member of the board of the company. Rendezvous, agree to meet or meeting. We have a rendezvous for next week. Sine die, without arranging a future date for something or indefinitely. The meeting was adjourned sine die. En route, on the way. I visited Rome en route to London. In absentia, in absence of. She was convicted of the crime in absentia. Detour, a longer route we take to avoid a danger. After a number of unexpected detours, we finally arrived at our destination. Verbatim, in exactly the same words we are used originally. Some passages in the book are verbatim to write a new story. Thank you for watching.